Welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the BLACK+DECKER Powerseries Extreme Cordless Stick Vacuum Cleaner for pets in a striking purple finish. This versatile vacuum boasts a 3x cleaning system, featuring an angled floorhead for multiple surfaces, V-shaped bristles for all types of debris, and an anti-tangle pet hair brush bar, making it perfect for pet owners. With a patented brush bar equipped with rubber bristles, it effectively removes stubborn pet hair and dirt, ensuring a thorough clean. The vacuum offers a 3-speed control setting, allowing you to seamlessly transition between hard surfaces, area rugs, and carpets. Its front-facing dustbin design lets the vacuum lie flat, making it easy to clean hard-to-reach areas, while also allowing for easy emptying. The vacuum converts to a hand vacuum with an extra-long crevice tool, perfect for stairs, furniture, and those tricky spots. Powered by a removable 20V max battery, it delivers up to 55 minutes of runtime, ensuring you have ample time to tackle your cleaning tasks, and it includes everything you need, from a 3-in-1 multi-way charger to a washable filter and pre-filter. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.